अच्छा सोचेंगे।
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. So, in the previous classes, we have learned about the ocean, the Africa, the continent, and all, right? So, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, the 7 continents. So, let's come to the ocean. There are 5 main oceans, right? Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Antarctic, and Arctic. See, this is the continent and oceans, right? So let's watch the activity. See, I've shown you this in the before classes also. You have just labeled it, okay? Let's go with the next page. The next comes the Antarctic Ocean, which lies in between the Europe and America, where Ferdinand Magellan set out from the Europe to sail around the world. So he was crossed Antarctic Ocean. He faced many problems, many storms in the sea, and tried to go round to tip of South America. Finally came to the other side of the sea. As he tried to go round and round, the sea was to claim that the name of the Pacific. So it is peacefully. The ocean separated America from Asia. The Indian Ocean lies in South India, which is expanded as Arabian Sea, and the Bay of Bengal on either side of the Indian Ocean and Indian Peninsula, right? So the land masses in the South Hemisphere is less than that is in the North Hemisphere, and the Antarctic Ocean, which is generally called Southern Ocean, that is in the Arctic Ocean around the North Pole, is the smallest ocean, right? So though it is extended into the land masses by bays, gulfs and seas. You have know about the Arabian Sea lies to the west of the Indian Peninsula, right? So these all are around the ocean which take place from different places to different places. So there are other seas such as Mediterranean Sea, the North China Sea, the North Sea, the Caribbean Sea, Central America and so on, right? Sorry. So all the water bodies together form hydrosphere. The word hydro comes from the Greek words hudor or hudro for water, right? So let's watch this animation.
The world we live in. The universe contains stars, constellations, and galaxies. Our sun is an ordinary star in the Milky Way galaxy. It is made of hot gaseous matter and it gives out heat and light. As the Earth cooled down from its red-hot burning stage, a rocky crust formed on the surface. This crust gave off steam, and as a result, clouds were formed. The water from the rainfall got collected in low-lying areas on the Earth's crust and formed the oceans. The higher-level landmass became the continents. The Earth may be a very small part of the universe. Lines parallel to the equator are drawn to its north and south, running from east to west. These lines are called latitudes. They are also called parallels of latitude. One line or reference is not enough to locate a place. It is necessary to give one more reference point to find a place. Therefore, imaginary lines called longitudes are drawn from North Pole to South Pole. Longitudes are also called meridians. There are 7 continents, namely Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia respectively. There are 5 oceans, namely Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, and Arctic Ocean.
So you have seen the entire animation of this lesson, right? So let's continue. So these are the words which you have to do it, okay? So let's go with the next page. The recall words, see here, the continent and all the earth. Next come to the exercises. Match the following. What you have to do, you have to match all this following by reading the lesson. So this match the following and choose the correct answer is your homework for a day. So we'll continue in the next class. I hope you understand. Just read the lesson. You can get easily answers of this. Okay, so this is your homework part. Okay, Allah Hafiz children.